Hi again, everyone. Perfect Storm Trading here. It is Sunday, the 17th of October, 2021. Just want to take a look at the Astro Excel energy pattern for the week. We're moving down over the weekend. This black vertical line is the open tonight at 1800. We bottom out on the negative pressure there at about 1900 and about 2000 on the blue line. Green line turns up. We have upside pressure up until about 1300 here on Tuesday afternoon. I've divided the days at midnight with the blue vertical lines. We're pushing down into Wednesday. We have an up move. After we bottom out at 0300, we have an up move to about 8 a.m. Then we push down. We've got another valley here about 1400, center that in the afternoon. Push up to 2000, and then we basically have downward pressure all the way through Thursday. We get a little bump up on Friday from around 5 to 7 a.m. and then we bottom out Friday at the close. So as of Tuesday afternoon around 1300, we've got pretty much downside pressure all week. The blue line peaks and valleys are going to give you some good pivot points. We're going to look at those each day as we move along with the videos during the course of the week. Okay, so we've got the Astro Excel covered. Let's switch to the daily bar pivots for the rest of the month. We have an important day this week. A lot of things tie together on the 21st. I have three cycles coming in on the 20th, 21st, along with the tide. The tide comes the 20th, then there are a couple of Astro signatures on the 21st. We have an important Mars event, and there's also a galactic event that ties that in. So the 21st is an important date. Jupiter's already also got something going here for the 18th, and there's another minor cycle on the 18th, so it's possible we could get a minor bump on Monday, but a more significant trend change is likely for the 21st, and then the last key date for the month is the 27th, 28th, more likely to be the 27th. So pay attention to those two dates. They're going to be important in all markets, not just the S&P E-mini. So that's it for today. We'll be back on Monday morning with a look at what's ahead for the day.